I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on Telus, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Visit the Telus website. Go to the official Telus website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up or create account option on the homepage. Step 2. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email as you'll need it for verification. Step 3. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Telus. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, log into your new account and complete your profile by adding any additional information required, such as billing details or service preferences. Creating an account on Telus is pretty simple, and following these steps should get you set up in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.